Hey there, I wanted to give you an idea of how to use Jing in order to help yourself with your Excel files. So let me just give you a little thing here. So suppose you use StatCrunch. Oh, first of all, let me show you where Jing is. So Jing is a free screen capture software program. So it's www.techsmith.com/Jing. And you go right here to free download and you click free download and you download it and run it on your computer. All right, then I've been roaming the web looking for something, so let me go to statcrunch.com and let me log in. All right, so if you make something with StatCrunch, this is going to take me a second. Oops, there we go. I could have gone into it with StatCrunch, but I actually went to it with through my math lab over here on StatCrunch. I clicked on that and I'm going to run it. Actually, I'm going to always run this JavaScript on this particular site. So I'm just going to click on something from chapter 2. I don't really care what. All right, let's say I want to make, I don't know, a side-by-side bar graph. So I'm going to go to graph, histogram, oh, actually bar chart, sorry, with a summary. And we wait. There we go. So my data is in men. Categories, response, men, fine, good, marvelous. Okay, create. So there you go. So you should be able to click options and copy. And then when you go to your Excel file, you can right click and choose paste, Control V. And there it is. Okay. Now, if that's not working for you, or your computer's got a little frustration going on, so again, you can use this program Jing, which is up here. So when you have Jing running and installing, it's this little, looks like a sun kind of down in your bottom right panel. And it's over here at the top corner. And you can turn this off if you don't want it on. You can just go to more and then turn it off. That's the power button, and that'll turn it off and make it so the little sun's not there anymore. I want it, so I'm okay. So let me go back to StatCrunch real quick. And then I'm going to go to, oops, actually it's not StatCrunch, it's this little Java right here. This little, looks like a coffee cup because Java is the script I'm running. And I can take a Jing picture. I don't have to do the whole thing like this. I could just do the window that was up a minute ago. So I could do it like this, and it captures all of that. Or cancel if you don't want to save that. You're like, oh, no, that's wrong, so let me click cancel. Maybe make it a smaller window, and then I'm going to use my Jing. So I go up to the sun, and I kind of click the capture thing, and it's going to say, okay, what do you want to capture? And I'm going to capture this right here. So I can make it bigger or smaller. Technically, Jing does videos. I originally used to make my videos for the classes that I teach this way, but Jing changed its software protocols, and I now use Snagit. But Jing can make you videos if you were interested for free. But I want an image. So I'm going to click capture image, and there it is. See, now it lets you write on this if you want. You could say, Alana, I don't understand, this thing right here, or whatever I'm highlighting. You can write text in it. You can say, I don't get it, or these are frequencies, or you can move it around. You can do whatever you want. You can play with it, etc. I don't really want either one of those things, so I'm going to make them go away. And then you choose to save it. So when you have the image you want, you just click save. And you can save it anywhere. I'd save them to my desktop, and then I'd just delete them at the end of the day. So I would go, let's see, 2.1. Actually, I don't think you can put the point in there. 2.1 graph number 1 or something like that. And I would just save it. And then and it's going to say, hey, it saved it. So if you want, you can open the file right there. There it is. If you're not interested, that opened it in a kind of a picture viewer. It's the same viewer you would look at, I don't know, photos on your computer from. But I'm going to go to my desktop, and there's my 2.1 graph right there. So I could do it a couple things. One, I could just drag it into my Excel file. That would work. So delete. Let's see. I think if I can drag it in there. Nope, doesn't like it. That's all right. Well, I don't need it to work. I can insert a picture. It's right there. Insert picture. I'm going to pick from my desktop 2.1 graph. And there it is. There's that graph. So Jing is free, It's available to you, and it's really useful. Like if you're finding your computer's not working, you can use this. You could also use free software called Screencast-O-Matic, which is also good, which allows you to basically do what I'm doing right now, record your screen and your voice. And you can say, hey, this isn't working or whatever. But Jing will work for you for free. And when you're done with it, let's say you don't want it up all the time or whatever, I'll just click down here and turn it off. And it says, nope, I don't need you. Oop, wait, no, I need you. Or yes, goodbye. And then it disappeared from this bottom right tray. And if you want it back, you just click on the start menu, type Jing. There it is. And it'll take it a minute, but it'll show back up on the screen. Right there. And by the way, the sun can get moved around. So you can move it, over here or whatever. It'll attach to whichever side it's closest to. All right, I hope that helps you fix your issues with copying and pasting if you have any, and shows you how to use Jing if you need it for just some simple screen captures and some simple image captures. See ya.